The rich flavor and overload of choco chips in Good Day Chunkies makes for a lush flavor in every bite. Join me, Chef Shipra Khanna, as I show you how to make biscuit pudding cake with Good Day Chunkies only on Britannia Dessert Carnival. So let's get started. So first of all, in a bowl, I'm going to add melted butter, sugar, that's castor sugar, and this is custard. So I'm going to mix all of this together. Chunky's tip of the day is that if you want to make your custard really creamy, use full fat milk. Okay, now this is done. I'm going to take out a mold in which I'm going to set my biscuit pudding cake. So now I'm going to layer the mold for the biscuit pudding cake with Good Day Chunkies. The rich flavor and overload of choco chips in Good Day Chunkies makes for a lush flavor in every bite. Now I'm going to pour the custard over the biscuits, and this has to set in the refrigerator. I'm going to put the top layer, which is mixed dry fruit. Now this pudding is going to go in the fridge for at least 5 to 6 hours or until it's set. Biscuit pudding cake is ready to be munched on, and the chunkiness in this pudding cake is going to give you a taste of heaven in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, do like and share the video with your loved ones. And do subscribe to see every attraction that Britannia Dessert Carnival has to offer.